Hi, I'm Margaret from Heidi and Lana. Today I'm going to show you how to weave in the ends on possibility. Since possibility can be worn with either side of the fabric facing out, either side A or side B, you want to weave in the ends as unnoticeable as possible. So I'll be demonstrating this on side B, and I'm using a contrasting color yarn just so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be doing the duplicate stitch technique, and basically what it is I'm going to be following one stitch all the way across, and I'm just duplicating whatever this stitch does. So when it goes under a loop, I'll go underneath. When it goes over top, I'll go over top, then back under. So this is the one I'm going to follow right here. You'll want to do this someplace with really good lighting. So to begin with, I'm going to go under here. And you want to match the tension of your knitting as close as you can. I'm probably going to do this a little bit on the loose side, but you'll just try to match it as close as you can. Then I'm going to go over and under this loop. And then it comes down here and goes under this loop. Then it goes over and under this loop. Coming up here and under this same loop again. Then it goes over and under this loop. Then it comes down and back under this same loop. And then it goes over and under this loop. And I would do this for about an inch. And then on the last few that you go under, what I like to do is split the yarn. And so instead of going under this loop completely, I'm just going to split that and just go under part of it. And this just secures the end for the last little bit. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to split this yarn too. Just catch the top layer. Then it comes down here, and I'm going to do the same thing one more time. And I would weave in your ends before you block the piece, because that will help where it's thick here. That'll help that just blend in really nice. And you can see it looks nice on this side. And then of course if I would tighten this up, it would look really nice on this side too. So then you can cut your end. And I like to leave at least 1/4 of an inch there, and then you can kind of fuzz up the end so that it stays in place, and then blocking it will just secure that end in there. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Ravelry, Instagram, and Facebook, all under Heidi and Lana. Happy knitting!